GTO, you're really looking fine.
The GTO purist should understand that what we started with here was a shell of a car.
When we got it, it was a failed project, pile of parts, it was completely disassembled. It just made it a good candidate to heavily modify it for something like this road racing application. We abandoned the chassis altogether and I cut the entire floor out of the car, and it's now a unitized construction car.
For the suspension on this car, we have a really special setup. It's basically custom fabricated by JW Rod Garage and the folks here at Hot Rod Chassis and Cycle to accommodate, the giant 6-piston Raybestos NASCAR calipers in the front.
We've had to custom design a lot of things because these NASCAR brakes are they're just massive. One of the things that people might not realize is that Raybestos not only makes brake packages, but they also make chassis parts, and they make a huge variety of chassis parts. We were able to engineer into the new front suspension some of their quality ball joints and tie rod ends, things like that.
The same equipment from the same factory in Oklahoma City that manufactures the same ball joints and tie rods for race teams like Joe Gibbs Racing in NASCAR. One of the benefits that we get from partnering with Hot Rod Chassis and Cycle is they really understand the fabrication, engineering, and construction of race cars. And we can just look at the fabrication work that goes into the roll cage and the suspension, basically the entirely new chassis that's being created for this. And it's a great demonstration of the talent that everybody has here at the shop.